Today's the day for me to finally plant this hollyhock that I got for the place where we volunteer. This is the flower bed into which it's going, and I think I'm going to put one there, there, and there. I really like using these to scratch up the soil all the way around the spot where I'm going to plant the plant, so the roots can really get in there. Here's the first hollyhock. It's a nice, beautiful peach color. There we go. Putting back the mulch. Hollyhock 1. So I'm just moving away the mulch, digging a hole, using this to scratch up the surrounding area, and then planting the hollyhock. Putting the dirt back around it. Trying not to get my hands dirty because my hands have been suffering lately. Replacing the mulch, and I'm going to water them all later. So I don't know if you can imagine it, but back there's going to be one right there, and one over there, and they're just going to stand taller than everything else. It's going to be beautiful. We got some annuals, so I'm going to plant them along the edge in this part shade garden right here, to add to what I did last week. These are Lobelia starters. Lobelia. Kind of don't want to mess up this pretty mulch, but I'll do my best. Done. E4, 3.